video has been sponsored by King Maps 5 Guard and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install an advanced job shop script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. After that, click on this download the latest version. Then scroll down over here, then click on this source code to download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the version number from here. Now open the file, open the config.lua. From here, we can configure our whole script. For the target system, I'll be using aux target, and for the fuel system, I'll be using legacy fuel. So I'll be changing the LC fuel to legacy fuel over here, just like this. From here, we can configure the timer for the mission timeout, and from here, we can configure the cooldown system. So I'll be keeping it default for now. From here, we can configure the model and the location of the pad. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And this is the delivery location of our vehicle. Make sure to keep the same coordinate over here and here. From here, we can configure the vehicle models, and we can add multiple vehicle models from here. And over here, we can configure the vehicle spawn location. You can add more locations from here. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's copy these coordinates from here. And now let's teleport ourselves over there. So as you can see, from here we can start our mission now. So for that, interact the pad with your target eye, then click on start mission. So as you can see, we got a notification over here, and also we got the vehicle's number plate over here. So let's open the map, and as you can see over here we can find the vehicle. So let's go over there. So now let's find the vehicle. Okay, we got our XCT Proto over here, as you can see. And you can see the number plate is also matching over here. So let's steal the vehicle over here. Okay, I think I'll be needing a lockpick. Okay, now let's lockpick this vehicle. That's it. Now we have to lockpick the engine as well. Just like this. Now we have to deliver the vehicle to the same location from where we came to start the robbery. So let's go over there. Over here. Now let's get inside. Just like this. Now we have to interact the pad with our target eye, then click on end mission. And as you can see over here, we got some money over here. So just like this, our delivery is completed now. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.